in here. What's going on with this?
Oh no, this is a Chrysler 300. Yeah.
I just got no clue how
Let
to
me
sit
park.
in there, though.
Let me park my stance Polo. Let me show you. This is a Polo Volkswagen stance up.
Oh. Whose car is it?
Stance up.
I'm gonna have to move that car.
For the police. Damn. Everybody, I'm taking a car video meet. Okay, let's see.
Getting out the V8 forklift. It's getting serious. Woo! Hey, Mercedes, come here.
This is a Mercedes Maybach.
Mercedes is over there. Just park it over there by the old Mercedes. Just ignore the Lexus that's sitting there, though. I don't know if that's.
No, what up with the crane?
Alright. We move the car in time. Move the car. Whoever owns this car, I'm gonna. Oh, there you go, there you go. Thanks, bro. Thanks with the fork.
Yeah.
This is my favorite car right here.
Please friend me back, dog. Please. Please friend me back.
You want me to whip out the Cybertruck?
Shop nice. Now, oh.
Whoever owns this, okay. Alright. Why the fuck is there just a Tesla's in here, bro? What the fuck? What's going on with this car to me, bro?
Doesn't matter, girl. It can be any car. Let's make it any car. What up with the Mini Cooper? Nah. And this is stock Mini Cooper, stock.
Blocking the way. Blocking people's entrance.
Ah, damn. Where did you guys take your money?
It's good. I'm getting through. Why are there just random cars sitting in the middle where people are going?
Hey, Perry boss. How do you make money? How do you make money? Yo.
With the Lambo.
Hey.
Alright. The door is open.
Please accept my friend request there, please. Wicket, please.
All right. Ah! I'm moving this Lambo real quick. Not my Lamborghini. I don't know whose it is. I'm just
Playing Cup fucking multiplayer here.
shit. Make sure you lock your car though, in case somebody takes it.
Yeah. Lock it real quick. Lock it.
Whoever fucking locks this is I'm driving into the goddamn water. What the fuck? Fuck.
It's locked, bro. You get in the car, man.
Nicely. I'm going to take a video. Ne? Everyone, park their cars.
People parking their cars. I'm close.
Guys, don't mind I'm flying because I'm a mind me.
Oh.
You know how to fly.